Ready to dive into the world of crypto with just your credit card and Trust Wallet? In this updated guide, we'll show you exactly how to buy Bitcoin directly within your Trust Wallet using your credit card in just a few simple steps. First, open your Trust Wallet app on the main screen. Look for the Buy option, typically found near the tokens or as a dedicated button. Tap on Buy. You'll then see a list of cryptocurrencies you can purchase. Select Bitcoin or BTC from the list. Trust Wallet partners with third-party providers to facilitate these credit card purchases. Next, you'll be presented with a list of these integrated third-party providers, like MoonPay or Simplex. Each has its own interface and potential fees. Review them and select the provider that best suits you. Then tap to proceed. Now for the crucial Know Your Customer or KYC verification. You'll need to provide some personal information. This usually includes your full name, email address, and date of birth. Be prepared to upload a clear picture of your governmentist ID, like a driver's license or passport, and a selfie. This helps ensure security and compliance. Once your identity is verified, you'll proceed to enter your credit card details. Carefully input your card number, the expiry date, and the CVV security code. You'll also specify the amount of Bitcoin you wish to purchase. Before finalizing, you'll see a summary of your transaction. This includes the amount of Bitcoin you'll receive, the total cost in your local currency, and any applicable fees from the provider. Double-check all the details. Once you confirm the transaction, it will be processed by the third-party provider. It might take a few minutes for the Bitcoin to appear in your Trust Wallet. And there you have it. You've successfully bought Bitcoin using your credit card directly through Trust Wallet, making your entry into the crypto market incredibly convenient.